The university is investing in CERG, the Collaborative Evaluation and Research Group, to actually continue the work that we're doing with industry, with external agencies in the research and evaluation space. The projects that we're engaged with really range from very much in that health and wellbeing space, from OC health and safety projects, right through to maternal and child health, to education projects. So everything that we do, decisions we make, right through to the data that we're collecting is done in collaboration with the agency in which is doing the initiative.
We've worked with Jo and her team on a number of different projects. So we've done some work around the youth space and around the impacts of COVID on young people across Latrobe City. We worked very closely with Jo and her team to develop the evaluation, and we were delighted with the results. We wanted to make sure that what we're doing is actually having an impact, but also it helps for us to be able to receive more funding if we've been able to prove that what we're doing is worthy of future funding and that is having the impact that we had hoped.
The local agencies really saw an opportunity to work with a local provider.
She knows what we do, she understands our organisation, she understands what we're trying to achieve, so it makes it so much easier.
When we've done one project with them, they're very keen to do another project and have some skills now around evaluating so that everybody's coming up to that way of doing, which is the best way to do, the best practice for evaluation and research in this region.